Good afternoon, everybody. And you must admit that artificial intelligence is progressing to succeed in making me look older. Now, actually, the three questions don't come from me. They have been inspired by a visit. I was Thursday and Friday in Mumbai with one of our large clients, a very large company. And we spent a day and a half discussing innovation, what's happening, what should happen, etc. And flying back and spending the weekend here, there are three words which kind of stayed after this experience. Regrettably, the first of these words is purpose, because this is so fashionable that it's embarrassing. However, this company, their company, is absolutely engaged in defining their own purpose, changing it actually quite substantially. And I know even here in France, where people tend to be more reasonable, la raison d'être is on the agenda of every top executive. So we did discuss purpose, and this inspired me my first question. Because if your boss has a new purpose, you better, as a CXO, as an executive, as an IT leader, you better have a purpose which actually matches, supports, enriches the purpose of the company. Therefore, my first question is, how do I define my purpose, the purpose of my team? How do I define my purpose to make sense for the young generations and support the company's purpose? So that was the first topic which was present also during a very long and wet dinner. Now, the second point is that if there is one thing which distinguishes the young generations, it's their creativity. And we are in a time, the times are so exciting because creativity is flourishing all over the place. I mean, it's absolutely wonderful to see that. I think this will remain in history as one extraordinarily creative period. So these people are very creative. However, in old terminology, if you allow me to use it, they are and will be pretty difficult to manage. Quite a lot of prima donna, or rather prime donne, among these people. And how do you make sure that not only can you hire them, but keep them, develop them, and actually give them jobs which fit their profiles, which fit their creativity, which fit their potential. All of that without losing or alienating the 95% of your manpower, or people power, I should say, which is actually making your department, your organization, your division work. Because if you lose them, you will wait for quite a long time until the new generation can fill in for them. That's not possible. Therefore, my second question is, how do I tap the huge reservoir of creative young talent without losing the rest? The third word, which was much discussed there, is the word time. And notably, there were IT people there, and they grew developing systems over a couple of years, according to specifications, high quality stuff, working when it finally came, and now they are confronted with probably younger and certainly much more impatient users. For them, waiting a couple of weeks for this new app is already quite annoying. At the same time, as a boss, in an existing company, you have to deal with slow times. You know, we still have yearly budgets. We have quarterly results. We have all kinds, 3-year strategy horizons, 5-year maybe. So one has to deal at the same time with the impatience of the youth and with tectonic movements. In the past, one was saying glacial speed. Now it's no longer possible because glacials actually move too fast backwards. But they are very fast and very slow tempi, which one all has to manage under a single hat. Therefore, my third question is, to which I hope you are going to bring an answer, my friend Michiel, and the colleague speaking, how do I manage all tempi from prestissimo to molto lento? Because this is needed to reconcile impatience and some of the things one needs to do on a certain well-established rhythm. So 3 questions, one around purpose, one around talent, and one around tempo, time. And I look forward to the answers of the distinguished speakers we are going to listen to. Thank you.
Thank you, Pierre.